From your dashboard, select Transfer and Pay from the menu, then choose Make a Transfer. On the Quick Transfer tab, you can make a simple one-time transfer between your accounts. Select the account you wish to move money out of, then choose an amount, or enter a custom amount, and then select the account you want to move the money into. Then hit Submit Transfer. Review your information, then click Confirm Transfer to complete the transaction. For more transfer options, click on the Classic Transfer tab. Choose the account you want to move money out of. The account options are listed in the From Account drop-down menu. Choose the destination for your transfer from the To Account drop-down menu. Not seeing the account you want? Select this plus sign to bring up additional options to add a new internal or external account. Enter an amount that you want to transfer. Choose the date you'd like your transfer to be completed. You can set recurring transfers under Frequency. To repeat a transfer on a schedule, select how often this transaction should take place using the date you entered as the start of the series. Select when you want this transfer to stop. You can select Never, enter a specific date, or add the number of total transfers you want to complete. You also have the option to add a memo here. When you are ready, select the green button Submit Transfer. Review your information, then click Confirm Transfer to complete the transaction. You can view your scheduled transfers from the Schedule tab. You'll see a calendar with dates of upcoming transfers indicated by a dot, as well as a list of upcoming transfer activity. To stop or edit a recurring transfer, find the transfer you want to stop and click the trash can icon. Or if you want to edit, click the pencil icon. Please note you may only edit a scheduled transfer before the first start date has begun. Otherwise, you must delete the transfer series and create a new one. You can view previous transfer activity by selecting the History tab. Click the small arrow to the far right of each row to see details about the transaction. And now you are all set to start making transfers.